court is not satisfied that the applicant discharged the onus of demonstrating that he does not pose a flight risk. On the contrary, the evidence of the foreign financial interest, the allegations of possession of an Eswatini identity document, the unresolved border movement anomalies, and his proven ability to access communication devices while in custody collectively indicates that the applicant has both the means and the potential opportunity to evade trial. However, on the 18th of October 2023, the day of the shooting at approximately 11:39 a.m., an amount of 100,000 was transferred from the FNB business account of CAT Protection and Security, a company belonging to the applicant, into the FNB account of the daughter of accused 2. Later the same day, 50,000 rand was transferred from her account into accused number 2's account. Having evaluated the evidence, the court finds the applicant has failed to demonstrate that he does not pose a flight risk. The applicant has failed to dispel the risk of interference with state witnesses and obstruction of justice. The nature and seriousness of the offences demonstrate a clear danger to the safety of the community. The state's case viewed at this stage cannot be described as weak.